Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday morning, February 6th, and I just wanted to kind of make a video for you guys because Poshmark announced this morning that they are going to be increasing the shipping rate to $6.79. That's a 30-cent increase. So they announced this morning, which I kind of figured out. I kind of figured something was happening with all the glitches that the app has been having lately. Usually when it starts having glitches, it means they're changing something. So, but yeah, so they announced this morning that the shipping rate is going to increase to $6.79 from $6.49. And I'm seeing absolute madness break out on Instagram right now. As what usually happens when Poshmark changes something. I've seen a ton of stuff being posted on Instagram. People are not happy. Some people don't really mind, but most people are not happy. Honestly, I'm surprised that the shipping didn't increase before now, because the post office has had several rate increases, and the fact that Poshmark was able to hold on to that $6.49 rate for so long, it's kind of insane, which shows that they are working to keep their rate as low as possible. I do not see them offering a first class shipping option ever, just because of the way that their rating system is set up. The priority shipping allows the customers to get their items fast, and that way the sellers can be paid fast. So I don't foresee them changing any of that. So the shipping will be $6.79 for the foreseeable future. Just an update, I've been moving, so sorry, everything is just like insane. But so the shipping is going to be $6.79, and I'm getting a lot of questions asking me if our shipping discount that is taken out of our earnings is still going to be $1.50, and I'm honestly not sure. And they haven't updated the app yet, so I won't know until tomorrow. So I'll definitely be doing another video about it tomorrow. So but anyway, so if they do the shipping increase and we have to absorb that amount, so instead of $1.50 being taken out, $1.80 is going to be taken out of our earnings. So a lot of people are freaking out about this, and that's honestly not a good thing. So that's 30 cents, guys. Like, don't freak out over 30 cents, because I'm just going to be really honest. If you are not pricing your items high enough to absorb a 30-cent increase, then something is wrong. Like, you need to reevaluate, because you absolutely need to be pricing your items to where 30 cents is not going to cause you to freak out or be upset. Like, you can't be pricing your margins like that small. So if you really need to look at your pricing in that situation. So there's no reason anybody should be freaking out over this 30-cent increase. Like, it's going to encourage more people to bundle, so that will definitely be a plus. But yeah, honestly, Poshmark shipping has always been, you know, in this $6 range. I'm just happy that it didn't go above $7. So I think we should all just try to calm down and, you know, don't be freaking out over 30 cents, because it's not a good thing. Anyway, I just want to make this short little video about the shipping rate increase for you guys. Please don't be freaking out. It's gonna be okay. Really, like, I think you guys should just go with it. Like, don't be scared. It didn't go above $7, so nobody needs to be freaking out. I do wish Poshmark would figure out something to ship stuff that's less than £1, because it's a lot cheaper to ship stuff that's less than £1. But I don't see them doing that. So that's my video about the shipping rate increase. like I said, if you are freaking out over the 30-cent increase, then you guys really need to kind of step back and evaluate your pricing situation, because you shouldn't be freaking out over having to take $1 or even $1.50 out of your earnings if you have to give somebody a shipping discount. And I get a lot of questions about the shipping discounts. I don't really ever do free shipping. I don't give people free shipping. I always just do the $1.50 and it works fine. So, you know, don't freak out over the shipping discounts. Like, the shipping discount is good because that helps you sell your items, and you need to be pricing your items accordingly to be able to offer your shipping discounts to your customers. That's how you make sales. So don't freak out over this little 30-cent increase. But anyway, that's my video about the shipping increase, and I will definitely be making a more updated shipping video to post for you guys. But I will see you in the next one. I'm about to go out and go sourcing, and I've got a lot to do today. So hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you probably tonight with another video.